Welcome to the C# Water Quality Measurement System project. In this application, we create a real-world solution that collects important water parameters such as location, pH level, turbidity, temperature, and dissolved oxygen. The program processes the entered information, evaluates the water condition, calculates a quality score, and displays a complete analysis report with the final water status. To enhance this project, we integrate C# with MySql database using the MySqL.Data package. The application connects to the MySQL server, creates the required table automatically, and stores each water quality measurement with complete details for future use. This project demonstrates powerful C# concepts including object-oriented programming, classes, properties, methods, user input handling, exception handling, SQL commands, and database connectivity. At the end of this video, we will open the MySQL database and view the created water_quality table to confirm that the data has been successfully stored. The complete source code is available in the video description. You can download it, explore the project, and practice building your own C# database connected applications.